Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. So guys, before I go to today's topic, I want to thank each and everyone who have supported me to my previous videos. I'm so grateful to you guys, and I'll keep all your suggestions and I'll try to do my best. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. That will be very helpful for me. I've seen that more than 70% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel, so please do subscribe. So that's all I wanted to say. So let's get into today's topic. So guys, today's topic is basic skincare step. So guys, these steps should be followed by everyone, men, women, people who are more than age of 16. Everyone should follow these steps so that their skin should be healthy, and there should be no if they don't want any of the skin problems, they have to follow this step. So what are those basic skincare steps? So guys, that is C, T, M and sunscreen. So C is cleansing and T is toning and M is moisturizing. Sunscreen is it protects from sun. So I'll tell you every importance, every steps importance, and I'll show you what I use, and I'll give you some suggestions what you can use. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so first is cleansing. So guys, cleansing your skin is very helpful. It removes all the dirt which is accumulated in your skin. So for cleansing you can use face wash, or you can use soap, or you can use tongue slip. You can use Uptons, or you can use gram flour also. So that also cleanses your skin. But I suggest you guys not to use normal basic soaps which you use for bathing, because it is very harsh for your face skin, because compared to body skin, face skin will be little sensitive. So you can use face soaps which comes for face only, and you can use face wash, anything which is easy for you. So I'll tell you the importance of skin. It cleanses the skin, as I told you, and it removes all the buildups which is accumulated in the skin. So basically our skin produces oil. So those oil or the waste of the skin which is sent out. So basically, like example, we eat and the food will get digested and dirt will go out. That's how our skin also acts. Our skin takes the food, and whatever the excess is there, it will throw it out. So to clear that, we have to use cleanser, so that all the dirt or oil, dead skins which is accumulated in the skin, it will take it out, and it maintains a clear skin. It gives a fresh look, and it maintains a proper size of pores. Everyone has pores. All the skin types has pores. From that pores only the excess oil will come out. So but oily skin people will be having more pores, and dry skin will be having people having less pores. So it balances the pore size for all skin types, and it doesn't lead to any skin problems, acne or anything, because when the oil is accumulated in our skin, main problem is acne. So acne starts, and other skin problems like redness, irritation, dryness. Even if you don't wash your face that also happens. Your skin gets dried without proper any hydration. And I'll show you what I'll use for my face. So currently I'm using Vows Upton face wash with this brush. So this is actually a foaming face wash. I like this face wash because it has this brush, and what this brush is very soft, it's not hard. What this brush does is it acts like a mild scrub to my face. Okay, it takes out all the dirt properly. It has upton and turmeric, which is very good. It brightens the skin and it takes all the dirt out. So how this works is, so this is the foam. So if I just press it, the foam will come out. So I'm so sorry. So I'll just apply it and just brush it out. So I like this because I use heavy makeup. So even after using makeup remover to remove my makeup, there will be some makeup which will be accumulated. So this brush helps me take it out easily. I don't have to do much work while washing my face. So that's why I like this face wash. This is for all skin types. You can use this, or else actually people have to see type of your skin also before choosing a product. If you have oily skin, you have to see if it is suitable for oily skin or dry skin. So that's how you have to choose your product, and that's it will work according to your skin. So next is toning. What toning usually does? So toning, whichever the pores is open, it will close your pores, and before that there will be some dirt which will be deep inside your pores. Okay, even though if you wash your face, even though if you use makeup remover for removing your makeup, there will be some residence in our deep pore. So toning helps taking those dirts. So you can check it out actually. Take it cotton pad, white cotton pad, and take a toner. And even though if you don't use makeup, when you just wipe it with a toner, you can see little dirt in that. So that's what it goes. It takes out all the deep dirt which will be inside pores, and it closes the pores. So that's what toner does, and it balances the pH. So face wash is alkaline and toner is acidic. So both should be not extreme. Actually, even if acid is more also, alkaline should not be extreme. It dries out your skin. So when you have already used alkaline, when you use a toner which is acidic in nature, it balances the pH. That is the main reason we have to use toner before the next step. And it as I told you, it removes the excess makeup. So now I'll show you what product I'll use. So guys, this is what I'm using, Good Vibes Pomegranate Face Wash. This is really good. I liked it. And there's lot of variants. It is actually glow toner and it gives glow. And you can also use rose water. I'm using Banjara's rose water. Rose water is actually an excellent toner. So if you don't have toner, you can just right away start with using rose water. I have seen many people don't use this step. They'll skip this toner step, but it is very important. As I told you the importance, it is very important for your skin to use the toner. So guys, next step is moisturizing. As you all know, moisturizer hydrates your skin, and when you use face wash and when you use toner, your face will be very dry. It will pull out all the oil. Even the dry skin people need even the oily skin people need some oil. Okay, need some hydration. Even though they can, they feel that oil is some of the people who have oily skin, they feel that they don't have to use moisturizer, all because already you people will be oiling. No, it doesn't work like that. So the thing is, everyone should use moisturizer to hydrate their skin and to keep their skin healthy. And actually oily skin people only need hydration more, so that their skin doesn't produce lot of oil and it looks healthy. So why I'm telling this is, there are moisturizer which is meant for oily skin people, which is meant for dry skin people. So oily skin people, it balance out your oiliness and it gives a supple glow. So that doesn't cause you acne. If excess of oil segregates in your skin, it causes you acne, and it doesn't cause. In dry skin people, if you don't use moisturizer, it also causes acne. Extreme dryness also, for some people it causes acne. So that is why it is good to use moisturizer, and it reduces the skin problem. Obviously you guys will get all the skin problems, so it reduces the skin problem. So guys, you guys will get moisturizer which is suitable for your skin problems. If you have aging problem or premature aging, you have anti-aging, if you have anti-pigmentation, I can't tell that at one use the problem doesn't go. The more it takes time for your skin to work. So if you use simultaneously, it will obviously work. It depends on the product, and sometimes it depends on your skin also. So there are products which is specified to some skin problems. You can choose that also, and it doesn't give you wrinkles. So how wrinkles is formed? Because your excess dryness in your skin. So when your skin gets hydrated, obviously wrinkle will not cause. So the moisturizer which I am using right now is Kaya Anti-Acne Purifying Nourisher. This is actually meant for acne people and people who have oily skin. Right now it is rainy season and my skin is quite oily, so that's why I'm using this product. I'll show you it well done. You can see this is very thin. Okay, this is very thin, as you can see. But for people who have dry skin, they'll get thicker moisturizer. That's how it works. So people who have oily skin, they'll get very thin moisturizer. And how we have to use this, you have to tap it like this first. When you tap it like this, the blood circulation improves. When the blood circulation improves, the absorption of the products also will be very good, and it absorbs the product very quickly. After that, if you have some resident, after tapping, you just do a circular motion. That also increases your blood circulation, and it helps in absorbing the product. So that's how you have to use a moisturizer. So guys, next is sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. This is the main step. This is the important step in skin actually. What sunscreen does is it protects from harmful rays, UV rays. So sun produces harmful UV rays, but in the sky there is an ozone layer which protects us from harmful UV rays and gives only the healthy rays to it. But due to pollution and all, the ozone layer has been opened and it has some holes. So the harmful sun rays which directly comes to our, that is very harmful to you guys, and it leads to many skin problems like pigmentation, premature aging, tanning. So I'll tell you how pigmentation actually happens. So guys, our skin has melanin. Melanin is the color which gives to us. So people who have more melanin is darker in skin, and people who have less melanin is lighter in skin. So when the sun rays comes, the melanin actually protects our skin, so that the sun rays it produces melanin so that the sun rays should not harm our skin. So when the melanin is produced, we'll obviously get tanned. But at some point melanin also stops producing, or sometimes it produces more. When it produces more, which is not required, so that's when the pigmentation happens. So when pigmentation happens, more and more exposure to the sun, the pigmentation will be more. But the pigmentation can be taken or can be removed, but it takes time. As deeper the pigmentation, as the time takes, so it is very difficult to take the pigmentation, and it needs lot of treatments, guys. So while doing all those things, just use sunscreen. It prevents from pigmentation, so that is the deal. And premature aging, so guys, as I told you, dry skin people will get wrinkles more, so that's why you need hydrate. Sun rays dries out your skin. So when you don't use sunscreen will be like protector and it hydrates your skin. When you don't use sunscreen, it dries out your skin. And premature aging is actually your skin looks aged more than your age. So your skin dries out and wrinkles will come. So that's why you need to use sunscreen. You have to use sunscreen even when you are inside also, because the rays which comes from the light, the LED lights or some other bulbs, that also have some UV rays, and which is harmful to your skin. So it is better to use sunscreen every time except the time you sleep. Guys, make sure your sunscreen doesn't exceed more than SPF 50. So you have to choose either SPF 50 or below SPF 50, like 20 or 30. Please don't choose above SPF 50. It is harmful to your skin. Unless if you are a sport person, then only you can use more than SPF 50. And make sure you have UVA and UVB rays both. So it is mentioned here, UVA and UVB. That is very important. So actually guys, reason I'll make a separate video about only sunscreen and why SPF should be less, and what is SPF, what is UVA and UV rays, because it is a very vast subject. This video, guys, if you're not following these steps, please start it right now, today only. You will see the difference. I'll assure you, you will love it. And the difference or the result won't be immediately. As time goes, you will only see the difference. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your family and friends, and please press that bell icon button so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. I will upload a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, guys. So I'll meet you in my Friday video. Until then, bye bye.